For over 130 years, Crowley has led maritime and logistics services. Today, we drive the future of offshore wind with expert transport and solutions. At Crowley Wind Services, we support various phases of offshore wind projects, construction, logistics, operations, and maintenance through specialized expertise. With projects like the Salem Offshore Wind Terminal, our team efficiently mobilizes equipment, personnel, and materials, ensuring timely delivery to support the growth of America's wind industry. Leverage our EPC expertise to support your offshore wind construction and development projects. Our experienced teams provide comprehensive project management and conduct field studies to deliver optimized offshore solutions. With a specialized fleet of Jones Act-compliant vessels and skilled personnel, Crowley ensures a safe and timely project completion on any scale, collaborating with industry partners for reliable results. Partner with us and lead the way in offshore wind solutions. Visit crowley.com/wind to learn more.